All right, so let's look at 7.5, number 11 for like 2 seconds. So we have two functions. F of x is sine of 2x, and g of x is cosine of 2 pi x. And I'm supposed to state amplitude, midline, and period for both of these, right? Okay, so amplitude, midline, those should be easy. So amplitude for both of them is 1. And midline is 0 for both, right? Because the vertical shift is 0 and the coefficient on this thing is, right, 1 and 1. Maybe to make most obvious. Cool, those? All right, and then your period. Okay, so one way you could think about the period, yet a third way now that you could think about period, is the time it takes for the argument to go from 0 to 2 pi. So this is your argument, right? You guys see that? Okay, so when is that thing 0? When is 2 pi x equal to 0?
When x equals 0.
When x is 0. Is all good with that? Okay. When is 2 pi x equal to 2 pi?
When x is 1.
When x is 1. Okay, so the period on the usual sine function, right, is 2 pi, right? It's the amount of space between 0 and 2 pi. So the amount of space on this thing is 1. Right? If I plug in 0, I get 0. If I plug in 1, I get 2 pi. So that was one period, and it happened in 0 to 1. Another maybe better way is to divide by the 1. Yeah, so you could take the normal period, 2 pi, right, and divide by the horizontal stretch, which will give you 2 pi over 2 pi is 1. So the period is 1. Cool?
Oh, you don't, like for the other ones we did earlier, you didn't you think of 2 pi as the normal period and then divide by the horizontal compression instead of?
Yeah. Yeah, so here that'd be.
Because you just said to divide the horizontal compression by the normal period.
Oh, sorry, I should have said take the normal period, 2 pi,
Okay.
and divide by the horizontal compression, 2 pi.
Okay.
In this case, right, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, no.
But yeah,
I was talking about for other patterns.
This is the normal period, and this is the horizontal compression factor. Cool? Questions, Steele?